This is Alex Hormozi and this is Mosh Bari. When we put these two together in a brand new AI platform called Lucidfluencer AI, together they turned into Mosh Hormozi.
It's always harder, takes longer, and costs more than you think it will. It makes sense because if it didn't, then everyone would have it.
This is wild. All I needed to do is to go to the dashboard, click create project, enter a title, click continue, and upload my image. Then click next and upload Alex's video. You can even directly import from YouTube by clicking this button. Then click submit. That's it. And after a short time,
Harder, takes longer, and costs more.
The video is ready. This is the website of this wild AI application. It will turn you into a virtual influencer in just one click. And it is available at a one-time price. Probably the only AI application that's available at a one-time price. I'll drop the link in the description. I hope you understand you cannot use Alex's video or any other celebrity's video because they will sue you. The use case of this application is that you can turn your own video into a better version, or if you have exclusive rights of a video or Creative Commons or PLR rights, you can just change the face of that video and turn it into somebody else's video. But this is a game changer, time saver, and a money maker. Okay, back to today's video.
I've been using AI to write videos that have gotten hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views, gained over 100,000 followers on Instagram, and I've made over $28,000 in a single week just from content creation, and all of it was written by AI.
Okay, I know you have a 9-to-5 day job or you have an existing business and you don't care about videos. In fact, you hate videos and you hate showing your face on the camera and you don't have time for this BS. You only want to make money and that's why you're here. My friend, please accept it. Money is in your customer's pocket. You get the money when you sell them something, and those customers are watching videos all day long. So whether you show your face or you don't show your face, you only get customers with videos and you get no customers without video. We good? We understand each other? Let's go. Oh, you're not convinced. Wait, you see this guy right here? Took a photo like this. His name is Alex Becker. Alex is the founder and owner of a 9-figure company. Still, he makes videos. Why? Because Alex knows with videos, he gets high-paying customers for free. That's enough. If I could prove my point, keep watching. If not, bye-bye. You can go and watch some funny cat videos if that makes you money. My brother, enough playing games. Just get to the point. How did you write the scripts that went viral, you got views, got customers, and you made money? We are waiting. Okay guys, this is what's going to happen. This guy is going to show you a software and he will make it so juicy, so nice in front of you that you will want to buy it. And he will offer you a discount coupon code so you buy from him. But we are not stupid, right? You and me are not going to buy. Yeah, don't buy because I'm going to show you something free. Like 100% free. So keep watching. Now he's creating a premise. He's positioning what he's about to show you as the most powerful solution. Everything else failed while this one thing worked for him. That's what he wants you to believe and want you to keep watching. Well, there is no problem because what he's about to show is mind-blowing. First of all, don't buy it. No need. I'm going to show you a free solution. Spend your money somewhere better. Okay. Before he shows you the boards and before I show you the software and a free solution, let me show you something amazing. We recently launched an AI video creation software where you don't have to create any video. You can put anyone's face on the video, including your face. You do not need to be on the camera. And it does not cost you $300. It costs you one time under $20. Special launch price. Let me show you how it works. Okay, this is one of my team members, Rabbi Hassan, and he's one of my right-hand man. You can speak to him, follow him. He will help you with anything. He knows everything. Yesterday, I asked him to use this software and make a video and put his photo on the video. So now this is a video from Mr. Rice.
Seconds, I'm going to share with you 3 side hustles that no one knows and that you can use to make over.
And Rabbi put his photo on this video and became Rabbi Rice.
60 seconds, I'm going to share with you 3 side hustles that no one knows and that you can use to make over $1,000 every single day. The last.
And this is one and only Iman Ghazi.
Why are people so obsessed with passive income? I mean, why did you even click on this video? Well,
Rabbi put himself on this video and became.
why are people so obsessed with passive income? I mean, why did you even click on this video? Well,
Rabbi Ghazi. Haha. Hey, Mr. Rice or Iman, if you or your team members are watching these videos, don't worry, we're not gonna steal your videos. I'm just showing you the power of the AI application. It can be used in many different ways without violating any copyright or doing anything illegal. Anyways, guys, this website gives you a clear idea about what this software is about, how it works, how it can get benefited. The link is in the description. I highly recommend go grab it when the price is one time and extremely cheap, because after the launch, we have a plan to turn it into monthly and annual recurring program because you see the value. You can also go to moshbari.com/lucid. This will take you to the website, and from there, you can grab your access. Really guys, it's our own application. We love it. We are using it ourselves, and you will love it too. Enough self-promotion, Mosh. Let's go learn something. It's getting way too boring, so let me help you guys. This software essentially allows you to drag and drop multiple content from outside, like from Facebook, from TikTok, from Instagram, from YouTube, and put it in one place. And then you can just drag and drop and connect all the content and ask AI to, based on that group of content, do something for you. And it will work like ChatGPT. If you ask to write a video transcript, it will write a video transcript. If you ask to write a sales copy, it will do that. Article, done. You want to write books, done. You do not have to manually combine all those different pieces of content. You see how powerful it is? Okay, that's the sole purpose of this software. So throughout the whole video, he basically showed how to use this software. And the software is amazing. Just my point is, you do not need to use this software. You do not need to spend $300 on something that you don't need. There is an absolutely free solution, and that's, without any question, the best of the best on the planet. Welcome to Google's Notebook LM. It's going to be paid in future, yes, but right now, at the time of shooting this video, it's free. So click Try Notebook LM, then you click Create New. Now see what I'm doing. I'm gonna copy the video URL, select YouTube, and paste the video URL. Then click Insert. Now this video is inserted as a source. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna copy the link of this video and add a source. Click YouTube, Ctrl V. As you can see that I can add document directly from Google Drive, Google Slides. I can even copy and paste text directly, or even website links. And total source limit is 300 because it's Google, the best of the best. Now I'm not happy, so I'm going to take the link of this video, copy link address, paste it here, but this was not added because it says the transcript is not available. So I'm going to open this video, click show transcript, and I will copy the transcript manually. Then I will go and add source, and I will click copied text, paste the text here. Insert. I want to rename the source and I'll give the name of the video URL and save. Plus, this video has something about money and Pinterest. I love it. So copy link address. I will add this link as well. I could not add it. No problem. You know the drill. Get the full transcript. Put it right here. Now I wrote a prompt. I said, based on the sources, write a video script of under 120 words. Use 6th graders language. Use hook plus, but there is a problem. Therefore, you can do this as a solution storytelling structure to write the script. And let's see what happens. Now, in a matter of seconds, the script is ready. Now, let's read it loud. Do you wish you could make money online? It sounds awesome to get paid just for posting on Instagram, but it's hard to get people to buy stuff through Instagram. Most people just scroll and like, but they don't buy anything. Therefore, you need to make real cool content to get people to notice you. You could post about amazing results you got into your business, or try out a crazy experiment and tell everyone about it. Think about what would impress your friends. Once people see how awesome you are, they will want to buy the stuff you sell. But hey, that's not enough. We want to add something. So I said, use some shocking information about AI to infuse curiosity. Also use negative hook. Use specific information in the therefore section. Let's see what happens. Now I got a better hook. The first one was, do you wish you could make money online? Now the negative hook is, you don't want to end up like the people who still struggle to make their first dollar online. It's much better because negativity attracts people more. It's tough to break into a new field and actually start making money. But what if there was a tool that could help you dominate Pinterest and pull in hundreds of thousands of website visitors each month? What if it took you a few seconds to create 50 unique pins designed to grab everyone's attention as they scroll? That's what AI can do. It's already happening, and you can use this technology to your advantage, and here is how. 1. Use AI to generate tons of attention-grabbing images and text for Pinterest. 2. Target a specific audience. 3. Create an article or blog post using AI to go with your awesome pins. Now this sounds much better, but I want to use a better hook that I like. I like Brian's style of negative hooks. Listen to this. This is great. So I'm going to copy the link of this reel. Now I wrote, use the hook and style of this Instagram reel, and I put the link here. Use the but and therefore storytelling style, and rewrite with specific actionable steps in therefore section. Let's see how it goes. Now guys, this is completely free. You do not need to spend $300 for a software. And this is the best of the best application. It's Google. It will give you the best results because Google has everyone's data. Now I got a great script, but I didn't like the hook. It says, you guys, I'm going to share the secret to making ridiculous amount of money online. No, I want negative hook. So now I asked use negative hook like this video. So it says, you guys, you don't want to be stuck making pennies online, right? You want to earn thousands of dollars every month like the successful creators in the sources? One coach is making $2,433 per Instagram reel. And there is a but that it's easy to fall into the trap of creating content that nobody cares about. Then there is, that's why you need a strategy that focuses on attracting buyers. And here are the 3 steps. Showcase your amazing skills, run experiments, leverage the power of AI. Not bad at all. Did you like this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button because we upload new videos every day, and once we do, YouTube will notify you because this way, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video tomorrow. We share these strategies with the students of our program, and our students use AI, short videos, social media, and our strategies to make $500, $300 passive affiliate commission. In fact, Rabbi made $300 the other day. In fact, Ilham made $300. And she made total $900 in just 2 weeks. My partner Yogesh made $200. Nathan made $200 the other day. And I can show you tons and tons of results. I can literally scroll all day long and show you the results of our students. But that will not make you money. So here is what you can do. Go to the link in the description. This link will take you to a complete video training that will show you how we help our beginner members earn passive commissions with a 99% done for you system. This video is completely free to watch. And at the end of the video, you will learn about our program and you can take an educated decision whether it is for you or it is not for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. And as usual, to learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we'll see you on the next one.